Hello, thanks for giving us a minute to hear about our course on the 2026 National Electrical Code and all things electrotech.
Developed and presented by Solar Tech Collective. Well, the 2026 NEC has a wide range of requirements for these technologies. Some are existing, some are new. They're all critical to safe design and installation of these systems.
These technologies are the future of electrical systems, so it's more important than ever to stay abreast of NEC requirements.
If you need to know about the 2026 NEC and you're in project or product development, design or installation, system inspections or QA/QC, this course is the best way to get up to speed quickly.
So what's in the class? We're going to do a deep dive into 2026 National Electrical Code requirements for electrotech. We're going to tell you what the requirements say, how to interpret them, and how to apply them. And we'll highlight key changes and updates that were made and tell you why.
The course consists of 6 modules made up of about 80 short video lectures and accompanying knowledge check questions. It'll take you about 8 hours to complete. That's a lot of content for the equivalent of 1 day of work.
Developed and presented by folks, that's us, who are in the room, on the code-making panels, and deeply passionate about the code-making process.
We have the best interests of the industry and the safety of people and property always at top of mind. When it comes to electrotech in the NEC, we've got you covered.
This class is hosted online by all your favorite training providers, including HeatSpring, Solar Energy International, and the Midwest Renewable Energy Association. And regardless of where you take it, it's been approved for 8 hours of NABCEP education credit.
I'm Rebecca Wren. As a team, we have over 50 years of combined experience in solar and energy storage.
And I'm Alex John. Our experience spans PV, energy storage, and all things electrotech.
And I'm Brian Mahalik. We've been delivering training on the National Electrical Code for over 2 decades. Hope to see you online sometime soon.